mic working? Yeah, anyways. Hey, what is up guys, Tayo here, and in this video I'll be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and the FE in the name means fan edition. So if you're interested, sit back and relax. By the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome. We're on the road to 200 subscribers, and a sub from you, yes, you watching this video will be really cool. With that being said, if you're also new to this channel and you don't know what type of videos I create, I make videos on pretty much everything related to tech. So just sit back and relax. This video and this channel will be really good for you. With that being said, for those who are following me on Twitter, by the way, you should follow me on Twitter. Is where I upload or post channel updates. The current channel color and the official channel color is cyan, blue, white and black. It could be matte black, it could be glossy, whatever, just black. So basically my editing part should pop up the new logo of the channel here, and you should see it as the channel's watermark when you're watching your video. So comment down below how you like it. Is it good, or I should change it, or just comment down below what you think of it. With that being said, I know this intro is getting long. Now let's get into the video. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is the latest smartphone from Samsung, and the FE in the name means fan edition. Once again, it costs $699, and I think it's a better smartphone to get instead of the Note 20, since you will be getting 120Hz refresh rate for free. Now, for those who don't know what 120Hz refresh rate means, it's just basically the refresh rate of your screen. So whenever you're scrolling through Twitter, Instagram, you can follow me on Twitter by the way, it will be really smooth and fast, like almost buttery smooth. And I don't mean like slicing butter, but it will be really fast. And if you want to purchase a phone, don't buy a phone with 60Hz refresh rate. Trust me, just get a phone with minimum 90Hz refresh rate. It's going to cost you a bit, but it will be worth it. And there's 90Hz refresh rate, there's 114Hz refresh rate, and there's 120Hz refresh rate. And for gaming monitors, even though this is a side note, for gaming monitors you can get 360Hz refresh rate from Asus or whatever. I think I'll put the monitor wherever my editing part decides to put it. With that being said, 120Hz is just basically the smoothness of your screen, the refresh rate of your screen. So yeah, it makes everything smoother in general. Now here are the specs. The body is made up of glass, plastic and aluminium, which means the display is made up of glass, obviously, with a protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The frame is made up of aluminium and the back is made up of glass. Now speaking of the display, it has a Super AMOLED display with 16 million colors at a size of 6.5 inches and a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels at an 84.8% screen to body ratio. Here are other features of the display. It supports HDR10, it's an always on display, and it supports 120Hz refresh rate once again. Though take note that 120Hz refresh rate will deplete the battery faster than 60Hz refresh rate, but I think it's really the better thing to do, because you really get that buttery smoothness and basically you just enjoy it better, trust me. Moving on to the platform and storage. By platform I mean the OS and the likes. It comes right out of the box with Android 10 with One UI 2.5, but you should get an update for Android 11 or thereabout when Android starts releasing Android 11 to other devices apart from the Pixel devices. And if you don't know what a Pixel smartphone is, it's just basically a smartphone made by Google that is really good. I think I've made a video on the Google Pixel 4a and the Google Pixel 4a versus the Oneplus Nord. You can check out the video, link in the iCard above. Is it this side or this side? Anyone, link in the iCard above. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chip with 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage and 8GB of RAM for the maxed out version with an Adreno 650 GPU. Moving on to the cameras. It has a triple camera setup consisting of a 12 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel telephoto camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Videos from the camera maxes out at 4K 30 frames per second with HDR. Now moving on to the power section. It has a 4500 mAh battery which is capable of 15 watts fast charging and also 15 watts wireless charging, but it has 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging. Here are other features of the device. It has IP68 water resistance. Take note, it's water resistant, so you can't really keep it into the water for a long time or thereabout, but it's really good. It's splash proof, it's immersion proof, but for some minutes, I think 30 minutes or thereabout. It has an optical under display fingerprint sensor. It has USB type C obviously, and it comes in 3 colors, which cloud lavender, cloud mint, cloud navy, cloud white, cloud red and cloud orange. There are many colors, but you could pick whatever is best for you, and I personally love the navy blue, which is just, I think it's looking amazing. And that's basically all for this video. I know it's really short, but yeah, I'm trying to do some things with the lighting and some other things, so you'll get a better video next week. And that's basically all for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, click on the subscribe button with notifications on, and also don't forget to click on that like button so YouTube can promote my content to other people. With that being said, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Now time for editing.